What is up, everyone? Welcome back for another DIY video with the Tactical Fishing Company. This is a very short one today. We're going to do a very cheap $22 3-foot GoPro mount for any real position on your kayak. So let's run through it. All right, as you see here, this is our little custom-made GoPro mount that we put together. So we'll take it off and go ahead and show you what it looks like. You know, I was going to buy one of the Yak Attack ones. I think I was looking at the Panfish Pro or the Boomstick. I had, and I'll drop a picture real quick, the GoBUDI 3-foot. You can see there's different joints. It was a 3-foot GoPro mount. It mounts to any standard GoPro attachment. What I did is bought a pack of these 3M backed GoPro mounts. I put one there, put one here and there, just for different positions. So yeah, basically this GoBUDI mount was 20 bucks. And then we went to our local hardware store and we bought some copper tube insulation or pool noodle, you can use whatever, and just wrapped it around. It made it a lot more stable. You'll see the GoBUDI is very thin. So basically, we'll get it mounted. I'll show you, I mean, you can move it, how it works, and then we'll turn the camera on from the angle so you can get an idea. Okay, so as you can see, this is the angle that it provides you. That's pretty good angle for showing some fish shots. You know, the functionality of it, being able to move it wherever you want. You know, I think it's pretty cool for some pool noodle and a $20 GoPro, you know, off-brand mount. You know, you don't have to spend $100 to do something pretty cool like that. So, and again, my favorite thing is I have it mounted on the side of the pedal. If I ever need to do anything, I can just pull it forward, do what I need to do, slide it back. But if you enjoyed this one, again, leave a comment, like. It's a little shorter of a DIY, but you know, I saw value in it, so I figured I'd post it. But stay tuned for the next one.